All right, good morning. It is April 15th, 2021. It is Vlog 73. Amazing. It is Thursday. This year is just going by fast. Actually, today is isn't it tax day? April 15th. I don't know if they've changed everything. I think they extended it or whatever, but yesterday was crazy. Yesterday was fun, but was busy. Had to do a lot of stuff, and actually I did my vlog late last night, but hopefully you guys enjoyed that. That was cool. I went skateboarding, saw some cool stuff, saw some buddies at the skate park, and that is always fun. But let me do a tuning here real quick. Every single time. No, this felt good. Nice. I am just a little bit tired this morning though, so it's kind of crazy. Let's see. Let's look at today's weather. I didn't do a weather thing yesterday. Weather for today. It's actually been cloudy and a little bit cool. Well, California cool, so I think California cool is warm for a lot of people. But 61 degrees. Yeah, it looks like the picture that we have right here. But we're only getting to 63, so a little bit chilly. Tomorrow looks like it's a little bit warmer, but hopefully it is because I'm going to be skating tomorrow. It's going to be fun. So let's see what else. Let's recap from yesterday because I did it. Yesterday was a crazy day. I woke up early, about 8 a.m. I think, because I had appointments starting at 8 or 11, so I had to get ready, and then went to DI. My first appointment was a rental pickup. It's kind of cool because like hand pans, I always hear the same story about hand pans. Like it was an older couple that came in, they were picking up a rental. But I guess the story was like she heard somebody playing in Laguna and by the beach and then liked it, but was too scared to ask the person what kind of instrument it was. But she found out, like she went on YouTube and stuff, and then it all led to DII, and that's where she was, and then she was in the shop, but no music at all, just heard the sound, researched it a little bit and wanted to find out more, so it was kind of crazy. And I gave her a few little tips on how to practice, and they were excited to play, so it was cool. The next appointment after that was they had actually come in earlier this week on Monday, and it was Cherie and Eric, and basically they just wanted to check out hand pans. They actually made kind of a vacation coming from Mountain View up north and to come check out a hand pans with us. It was kind of cool. So they were over Monday and they were going to come back, and they actually rented a pan at that time for 3 days and then brought it back, and then that day it was because he came in, he's all, well, we decided that I think we need to get 2 hand pans. And I was like, oh my gosh. That's so crazy. So he went through the process of finding out which 2 they wanted, and they got it. It was so cool. I was like, wow. So I sold 2 hand pans yesterday, and then right after that, because I have a lesson at 3, and it usually takes me like 40 minutes to get to Palos Verdes from Long Beach. So right at 2, actually it was a little bit after 2, so I had to rush out of there and then get to Palos Verdes and train Maddie on hand pans. It was awesome. Maddie, I know you're watching. You better keep practicing, girly. But Maddie's awesome. She's the student I have in Palos Verdes teaching hand pan and a lot of other things because she's, at 8 years old, you have a lot of things on your mind. So it's really fun to hang out with her and hopefully help her teach her hand pan. But she knows it's kind of crazy. Kids are like, I think at that age, they're like sponges, and you just got to keep on sharing with them information, and then hopefully they'll get it. But it's been a good time teaching an 8-year-old to play hand pan because I just like the story. Like if if I can teach her to play hand pan, just imagine everybody else. Like, yeah, this is cool. So she's doing good. She knows all the notes, and she just continues to hit or just continue to play, and she loves it. So it's cool. Plus she likes skateboarding, and she's like gonna take gymnastics, and I like gymnastics, and she's always, can you help me with stretching, or can we skateboard? It's so fun. So I do extracurricular activities with her, and I love it, Maddie. So keep on being you, and keep on practicing that hand pan. Remember to do your fingers. I know you're watching. So after that, then I came home. Usually I finish around 4 or 5, and it takes me to get back. But I have a Ooks social Wednesday at 6:30, so I came all the way back, got ready for that, and I had a Ooks social with Amy, Nikki, Dean, and Hadley, and that was an amazing experience because we've been doing this for it's almost exactly a year. And it's been pretty much the same people. We have a little small group, but they keep coming on, and oh my gosh, they kind of know all the songs that we do, like on my list, and they can play along, and I cannot wait to get together with them. But yesterday it was cool because Dean is a principal, Nikki's a teacher, Amy's a teacher, and then we have a student, which is 12 years old, and then like in between, because it's a social, we just talk about life, and it's cool to like, just let off steam and talk about stuff. And we started talking about teaching kids, and it was amazing because you had a principal, you had a teacher, and a student. And the cool part of it was that Hadley actually stayed listening to us because it was at the end, and we were just talking, and she just stayed listening, and we were just talking about school and teaching students, and she actually chimed in, which was wow. She gave her 2 cents and talked about it. And I think we were talking about like how like teaching or learning right now is really tough for underprivileged kids because they don't have the technology to actually do it, and it's really tough. It's like, and I thought about this, and actually it was confirmed from them yesterday, like how like God, you're starting to see how the education and when you don't have a lot of money, it's tough to actually do it. So it's so crazy right now. Our system's broken, and yeah, the teachers were saying that last night, and I was like, wow. And then Hadley even chimed in on that, and it was like, yeah, there should be something different. So wow, it was kind of cool. It was a good talking experience, and each teacher was from different districts, so they were just talking about different things, and it was cool. It was like really cool how an Ook social we're playing music, but we're actually talking about like good stuff in the community, and I think it helps because you get like different views, and it helps you make decisions in what you're doing, and you can make educated decisions, which is really cool. So that was awesome. Great talk on the Ook social. I love it. And then I hadn't done the vlog or anything, so I did my vlog right after that, so it was late. And then I had to do my song, which I did, Ain't No Sunshine. I was like tired by then because I think I only ate once, and I was that day. I usually do that. And I needed to get something to eat, which is crazy. But yeah, that was my day yesterday, and then after I finished, I was just done. And I usually go to bed at 12, so yeah, that was it. So from 8 to 12, I was up the whole time. Good day. It was a good day. Got a lot of stuff done. A lot of cool things happening, and yeah, I'm excited. But let's look at birthdays, because I think I saw some cool birthdays today. And, Chris Carr's birthday today. What up with that? Chris Carr works at the aquarium. It's been a good friend of mine for a little while, and he's cool. He's actually like he's like one of the managers behind the scenes at the aquarium. So he's actually giving us behind the scene tours of the aquarium. We got to feed the fish and all that other kind of stuff. But Chris just moved, got a new home, and we haven't seen him in a minute. But I think next year, if COVID opens up, we're planning on traveling together with him and another friend. So yeah, it's gonna be fun, and we're planning on going to Spain and stuff like that. So it should be pretty cool. But Chris, good buddy, happy birthday, man. And Donaldson, James Donaldson, what up, dude? I haven't talked to him in a while. He used to work with us at Verizon Yellow Pages. Was that correct? Was it Verizon? Yeah, that was Verizon, I think. And that was fun. He's a good guy. I just haven't talked to him in a while, but yeah, we used to work together at Verizon Yellow Pages, and I think he does cars and stuff. But I haven't talked to him in a while. I should catch up with him and see what he's doing. So, happy birthday! Yesterday was Angie Hopi. Actually, it's so funny. She's a friend of James Donald. Angie, happy birthday! And David Gonzalez, skateboard buddy, you're awesome. Hopefully everything's good. Jeff Tao, another skateboard buddy. Oh, yesterday was Ukulele. Happy birthday, Ukulele. I'm doing a interview with him at the beginning of next month, so that'd be really cool. So amazing. A lot of cool birthdays. Happy birthday to all, and hopefully you guys enjoy yours. That's sick. But it is Thursday. It is April 15th, 2021. This is Vlog 73. And I believe this is all I have for you guys today. Today, I kind of have a chill day. Later, I have to go to, at 6. I have an appointment at 6 at DII, so a late one. And also Carrie's car is in the shop. Hopefully it gets fixed today. Then we'll be good to go. And let's see what else. And then tomorrow, I just want up for tomorrow because I'm going to be skating and filming a trick, so that'd be kind of fun. But other than that, I have nothing. I'm excited about life. A lot of things are going on. It's been a busy week, and it's not finished yet, and I have some stuff to do this weekend, so it just keeps on going, man. Hey, 49 this year, turning 50, and just making life happen. Gotta make your mark on your gotta live your best life, I believe. Right now, at this time, I just want to let go and live life and do good things, which is cool. So with that, like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele. Yeah. Awesome. I'll see you tomorrow.